My name is Mubarak Iqbal. I have been doing voluntary work since 1980. I am going to talk to you about the corruption in Pakistan or third world or developing worlds. The corruption word has been used for Muslim countries especially and particularly for Pakistan and now for Afghanistan. I I believe this is Muslim community's fault. It is fault of the Muslim community's leaders, not Muslim community peoples, because leaders are the ones who use these words so often that one can lose counts of it. The banks of Europe and American have destroyed almost all the functions of the world, never mind their own countries. Yet they never spoke about the corruption in their country. And recently, the bank also was in trouble in Afghanistan. And the first thing President Karzai said that it was corruption. Well, if European and American could make mistake and cannot call it corruption, how could it be corruption in Afghanistan's bank? It could be mistake or carried out. So therefore, because our leaders, Muslim leaders, use this word so often about the corruption in our countries, therefore the whole world uses this word against Muslim countries, which is very damaging for the image of the countries and the reputation of them. I don't think they should use corruption so often for anything happens in the country. Mistakes, everyone can make it, and everyone does make it. It doesn't mean one country has corruption in their country, that's why it happens, and the others are doing it openly and wildly, and yet they don't even utter a word of corruption. Due to that reason, the corruption is not existed in any of the European or American countries, but it is existed in all Muslim countries. I would blame the leaders of the Muslim communities to damage the reputation and the image of the countries, which I think is wrong, utterly, completely wrong. We must not use this word and try our best to correct the mistakes that have been made and they shouldn't be made in the future. Thank you very much for listening. ठीक है?